Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing. Make sure the Macbook is plugged in and has at least 20% battery. This prevents a power loss that could brick the drive. Once plugged, save all documents and close apps. You're going to interrupt a system installer. You also need to know the Mac OS version and model in about this Mac because the recovery options differ. Now, move quickly. Once you confirm power and backups, proceed to stop the update in progress using the key interrupt. You need to interrupt the active process. If the update shows a progress bar, press and hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds until the Mac powers off. This forces a shutdown. Once off, power on and immediately hold Command+R to enter recovery. If Command+R fails, try Option Command-R for internet recovery. In recovery, use Disk Utility to verify and repair the startup disk first. Because a corrupted volume, once recovery or reinstall finishes, boot normally and check Software Update to confirm the update stopped or completed cleanly. Make sure your files are intact and restore from backup if needed. If the Mac won't boot, start in safe mode by holding Shift at startup and remove any third-party kernel extensions or startup items causing conflicts. If you still see errors, repeated restarts, or disk faults, document error messages and contact Apple support or visit an Apple store with diagnostics. This avoids risking data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.